We haven't done any bike maintenance since Groningen. Now we're nearly in Eindhoven, and I did discover yesterday one broken spoke on the front wheel, and hopefully that will hold up. 40-kilometer ride today through Eindhoven to the campsite. Probably stop at Decathlon, and my bike needs a new rear tire. It's nearly worn right through. Better get going. So 40 this way.
Red Bull pants.
Always. We made it.
Where? Oh.
What the hell, man? Welcome back to Cooking Hobo Style. My name's Andy. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a classic park bench macaroni with our secret ingredient, pre-prepared vegetables from the Aldi. Kip grillwurst, delicious cheese and tomato. Alright, now we add some pesto. You can tell we've really leveled up.
Looks good.
Bon appetit. Yum. On the road out of Eindhoven, towards the large Decathlon store on the outskirts of town, because the small one in the city didn't have the tires that we need. Success. 2 new tires from the Decathlon, and they were €19.98, so €10 each. It's pretty cool. They have all the tents set up here. If we need to replace our tent at some point, we'll probably be replacing it with that one. Is anyone in there? Oh, $29.99. Very good to know. I don't know.
Made it to the campsite. Time to settle down. It's been a big day's riding.
Ready to go? It's imminent. Had a nice night here in this campsite. Thunderstorm happened about 7 o'clock last night. But now everything's dry, so that's good. Just packing up, doing some bike maintenance. The bike's got like really worked over from riding through all the sand. A lot of the paths here in the Netherlands are sand because all the soil is really sandy. Just gets into everything in the chain and in the cogs and all the moving parts and gears. How are you getting on?
Lots of grease and grime. Lots on the cluster. Just cleaned these. Just going over the chain a little bit.
We've made it here, marker number 5, the cycle bridge over the River Mark near Olvenhout.
The plan for today is to head into Breda and then catch a train to Dordrecht because it's going to be mostly city along here, not many camping options. Let's go catch our train.
Let's go.
We made it to Dordrecht.
We're here in the old town, Dordrecht, looking at some old things.
The city has 1,000 years of history. We're heading to Delft next, where we're spending 2 nights, so we can enjoy the sights.
And have a rest day.
Yeah. I went right to the top of the tower, 275 steps.
Well, we made it here to our campsite in Delft. We're both very tired. The days are just turning into a blur. Tomorrow's another day and a rest day, thankfully. My name's Andy. Thanks for watching the channel. I'll see you in the next episode.